writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking, baking, whatever, homemade cinnamon rolls. I've never made these before. I've actually never made dough before in my life. This recipe has 25 steps and I don't bake very often. So, salted butter. Welcome back to my kitchen. In my kitchen I'm powder mixing. I'm hoping this works out, but I have very low hopes for it. Milk in the bowl. Oh my god. Add the butter. So hopefully that doesn't cook the eggs. I'm scared now. Teaspoon of salt. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay. Barely mixed it. I'm gonna add in some eggs. Maybe that might have cooled down the butter or something a little bit. Yeah, 2. That doesn't look very combined to me. Allow mixture to rest for 5 minutes. This. Get off, get off, get off. This, my friends, is where it is going to get messy. Okay, Google, set a timer for 4 minutes. Listen to me.
All right, 4 minutes, and we're starting now.
Oh my! You got the apron on. Do I even have a rolling pin? Mom! My poor fingernails, let's say a word of prayer for them before. I need another half a cup of dough. Flour, I mean. This is not how you knead dough. Don't you reckon this is half a cup? I think it is. Add brown sugar. Oh, this stuff is my favorite. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Salted butter. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. 1. Oops. I just realized I didn't actually like set a timer for the meat. We're going to wait until 2 o'clock for the dough to rise, and we'll double check it. It hasn't really doubled in size or anything. This is where it gets a bit boring, but I'm just gonna roll out this dough. Oh my god, we're about to fall off the mat. Slap that filling in there. I'm not used to commentating. Oh, mushy, mushy. Mushy, mushy. Okay, that's really sketchy, but it's alright. It'll have to do. And, now we're just gonna roll it like a sausage. Like a sausage? We're just gonna roll. There's our nice long roll. Oop, it looks good. Chop her up nice and even into thick, voluptuous rolls. And then we're going to place them on a, what is it, prepped tray? Yeah, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. I figured while I clean up, we talk. Oh, how's everyone going? Like, I haven't had these since, it's been a few years since I've had these, because they only sell like the good ones at IKEA. I'm interested to know what you guys think of these like sort of videos, like cooking, baking, all those types of things, because I want to do it because it's like fun. Get comfy. This is where we're at. They haven't really doubled size like it says, but we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna put them in. Double angles. Oh my god, they're nice and crispy. But they've definitely expanded. Oh, she's a bit crispy, but we like it crispy in our household. Cream cheese frosting. Now we just added our cream cheese to with our butter to make our frosting, which was absolutely delicious, I must say. When I beat it up, it just turned into scrambled eggs, so it was very confusing to me. Added some vanilla and a shitload of icing sugar. And then it got extremely thick and I didn't know what to do about it, to be honest. Because you know, when you're thick, you don't know what to do. I don't know if anyone else does this in their family. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Time to try it. Let's see how I went. It's really nice and airy. Just a little bit doughy. I'll link the recipe down in the description. So now let's go see what my parents think.
Cinnamon buns, yep.
Damo, really
Yes.
well done. Oh my god. So good.
So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!
Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.